watch out my Puto cheese video. Again. Today I'm going to be cooking Puto cheese. Here are the ingredients: 1 kilo all-purpose flour, sieve, 2 packs birch tree milk, and now 1/2 sugar, 1 pack calumet baking powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla, and cheese for our topping. Mixing them all together. Careful with scissors, guys, it will be dangerous. Last one, 1 pinch of salt. After sifting, we will now put 7 cups of water. Nanay helped me get some water, so I'm gonna do it. Things melting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna prepare Puto molder, and we will put it to our molder. 1 and 2, and I'm gonna steam it. Now I'm gonna slice the cheese for toppings. Slice. And warning, guys, you need to be careful of sharp things. Oh, forgot this one. Wait 3 minutes to put the cheese, and another 8 minutes, and then it's done. And now here is our finished Puto. Tasty. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our recipe. Make sure to